So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a video on how to play Squid Game on iOS or Android, and this is going to be a very easy step. The steps are same both in Android and in iOS. So without any further delay, let's begin. Just go to your app store, and if you are on Android, then go to your Play Store and search for ROBLOX and just install the application. After installation, open it, and the step is very easy. Just sign up for your account. There is no need for your email account or anything else. Just type username, password, and just gender and sign up. So our account is ready, and now just go to the search bar and search for Squid Game. And here you can see there are many games. My suggestion is just go for the one which has more likes. As you can see, 86%. So I am playing this game. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe. It will be very big help for me. So okay, so just enjoy the gameplay. This is the way. If you like the video, then thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.